Hello, welcome to this calculator tutorial for Math 125. In this video, we will look at how to use the TI-30XS MultiView Calculator to evaluate an annuity formula. The formula we will be looking at is the Future Value Annuity Formula that has been solved for FV. Let's consider the following example. Suppose we deposit $400 every month into an account earning 7% interest for 43 years. In this case, FV would be equal to the following. Let's put this into the calculator. To start out, we want to check which mode we are in. Hit the mode button, and we would like to be in the math print mode. So I'm going to use the arrow keys to go down and select math print. Then I will hit enter, and then I will hit clear. From here, we can start typing in 400 times. Now, when I hit the fraction, the formula suggests that there should be brackets in the numerator and parentheses in the denominator. I'm actually going to use some functionality in this calculator that often goes overlooked, which is the fraction button, that's going to eliminate the need for me to type in this outer bracket or this outer set of parentheses. So let's hit the fraction button, and in the numerator, I'm just going to start typing this inside set of parentheses. That would be parentheses 1 plus 0.07. Now, we have another fraction here, so after you've typed in the numerator, you can just hit the fraction button again, and now we can type in the denominator of 12. We're going to use the arrow key to get out of the denominator, and then I need to close my parentheses and hit the exponent button to get up into the exponent. Now we'll type in 12 times 43. Notice how it's very clear in this calculator that 43 is part of an exponent. To get out of the exponent so that we can type in this -1, we're going to hit the right arrow key and then just type -1. That finishes everything in the numerator. I'm going to use the down arrow to get down into the denominator. And here I'm going to type again 0.07 fraction 12. Once you've typed all of this in, you can hit enter, and this should evaluate to our final answer. That finishes the problem. I hope these instructions have been helpful. If you have a calculator that's not this very specific calculator, if your calculator doesn't have this functionality, go ahead and check out the YouTube video linked in the description, and we will go through this same problem, walking through things step by step in a simpler, more basic type of calculator.